Christopher Dogpaw Linton freed by the Court of Appeal.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, reputed gang leader Christopher Linton, otherwise known as Dogpaw, has been freed by the Court of Appeal. An appeal of his 15-year sentence for 2 gun-related offences was upheld in the Court of Appeal on Wednesday the 14th of April. Linton's co-convict Micah Allen was also freed by the appeal court. Both men were sentenced in May of 2013 to 15 years in prison after being found guilty of the 2 charges. Linton and Allen were found guilty of shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm. The men were convicted in connection with an incident in which they were both alleged to have shot at 2 policemen who were traveling in a service vehicle in 2010. Linton had received 15 years for each charge, for a total of 30 years imprisonment. However, the sentences were running concurrently. Linton was represented in the appeal court by Robert Fletcher and John Paul Hamilton, while Allen was represented by Patrick Peterkin. The police have long alleged that Linton is the leader of the feared Dogpaw gang. However, Linton has denied the allegations. In 2011, Linton was the country's most wanted man.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!